So in this video, we're going to run through how to send from Gmail using your domain email instead of your Gmail account. Your actual domain email address would have already been set up for you with all the passwords in our server, and you would have received that information. So this just now means that within Gmail, you can send from your domain, which would be, for example, info@yourdomain.co.za, instead of your account, which might be, for example, test@gmail.com. So the first thing we're going to want to do is click on the gear on the right-hand side, which will drop down your little menu, and you want to hit settings. From within settings, you want to go to accounts and input, which will be your fourth tab. And you want to head down to the third label here, which will be send mail as. As you can see, this is just a test account that I've set up. So I'm doing this from scratch to give an idea of exactly what yours will be like. So we want to add another email address to send mail as, which essentially is what you'll be doing. So you'll have your name on the top. Some people prefer to have their personal name in the account. Some people prefer to have their business name. That is completely up to you. It doesn't affect the setup. You can change it as you want. So in this case, the mail address we're going to be setting up is the domain email, which is test@localbizonline.co.za. So then I want to click next step. Now you would have already received the information for this section that's relevant to your account. So all you have to now go do is set it in. Your domain will already pop up there from the email address set in the previous screen. So all you have to do is hit mail dot. So it should read mail.yourdomain at the end. And you want to change that port to 465. Your username will then be the account that we're using or setting up. So in this case, it'll be test@localbizonline.co.za, and then you want to set the password that would have already been set for you in your email. Got that right. If I click add account. Okay, so it brings me to this screen. Now what you want to do from here is head back into your inbox and wait for the email from Gmail with the authorization code to link the account. Once that's done, we'll be able to put in our new password. So after a few minutes, you might want to refresh, otherwise this will come through automatically, this Gmail confirmation email. In this email, you'll receive a code at the top. Now, all you want to do is copy that code and go paste it into this little pop-up window that we have, and you want to hit verify. Once it's verified, this window should just pop away, which means that we have set up the send as. Now, what you then want to go and do is go back into your settings. Go back into your accounts and import, and next to the new account that you've just added, which is your domain account, you want to click make default. What that means is whenever you type a new email, it'll automatically send from that account, and whenever you reply to an email, it'll automatically reply from an account. So for example, if I now go compose to type my new email, you'll see over here it is sending from the domain account. So that's a quick rundown of how to add your domain email to Gmail. If you are going to be linking Outlook to Gmail, the next video will give you all of that information.